welcome to Mama's Plant-Based Kitchen. Today I wanted to show you this book that I have. It's called Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease. And I've had this book for, oh goodness, since about 2008, I think it was when I bought this book. Yeah, it was somewhere in there. And so it's got quite a bit of use to it. But today I'm making this very easy blueberry cobbler. And it's on page 283 of this book here. I like Jane and Anne Esselstyn, and they have a YouTube channel, so go check them out. They have a lot of recipes that they do on their YouTube channel. And this one here calls for 2/3 cups of whole wheat flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 2/3 cups of oat milk or soy milk, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of blueberries. And so what I do for the whole wheat flour is I just use oat flour. And then the rest of it, I just follow the recipe. And I mix that all up, and I'll show you a picture of what that looks like. That's what it looks like. And you have a beautiful blueberry cobbler. Very easy to make dessert. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Bye.